Back at it today. Finally getting that sump repaired, or gasket repaired, on the sump. So we ran into our first problem. Ben can't get the sump off. All the bolts are out, right?
Yeah, all the bolts are out. If I had a hammer, if you had a hammer, I'd be able to give it a tap and it'd fall off. But man, I haven't got a hammer.
No. I don't do tools, Ben.
Not, you do now.
Yeah, well, yeah, I'm going to have to buy a hammer.
You bought a few other bits.
Yeah, true. On a side, what are you doing? What, did you just giggle?
Yeah.
Why?
For myself.
Why did you giggle? What happened? What happened?
Nothing, I've just only been here 10 minutes and we run into a problem already.
Oh, right, fair one.
Because you ain't got the tools.
I thought you just shit yourself again.
No.
So back to this. I'm going to be doing a first ride review of this and also a video coming because I believe that this is pretty much a solid investment. So right now, and I'll go through why in a video on it, really. What have you found?
There's no gasket on the oils on the sump. So whoever at some point...
Are you joking?
No, I'm not joking. Look, it's completely clean. Right?
What about the inside?
No, on the up under here, look. Run your finger along it. Let's go. Whoever's took the sump off last time, put it back together, didn't put a gasket on it. That's why it was leaking.
Oh my God.
Literally no gasket there and no gasket on here. So I'll clean that up, clean my hands up, and then I'll put the gasket on, and then we'll bolt it back together.
Well, I was going to say well spotted, but you would have seen that the second it came off.
Yeah.
Did the universal screwdriver work?
Yeah, so that's amazing. That's Thor's hammer, that is, me on here.
Yeah, if it was addicted to crack.
It's addicted. If it's in my hand, it's addicted to crack. You watch me throw it at you, it'll definitely come back.
I don't think it would, because I don't think I'd survive.
No? Okay.
I mean, heavy objects, sharp weapons and guns are my weaknesses.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
You need a shield, an adamantium
I do,
shield.
I do. Adamantium.
An adamantium shield, yeah, that's what I said.
And it's vibranium in the...
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Adamantium's X-Men.
You're not worthy enough to pick that up anyway.
Probably not.
Try it. See, told you weren't worthy. Right, I'll just wipe my hands up and then we'll get it back together. No,
Say that again.
Can you Adam and Eve it?
Oh my God.
Believe it.
You are 82, aren't you?
I am 82.
Can you Adam and Eve it? Jeebus.
Keep over with some blue rag and some isopropyl alcohol.
So you're going to wipe it over with some isopropyl alcohol.
Isopropyl alcohol?
Why is that?
Why is it?
Why?
Why? To get rid of the oil. Get rid of the excess oil.
Just clean it off, really.
Clean it off, yeah, because I can't stand it looking dirty.
Fair.
But I think it's in another box.
It is in another box.
Get the worst of it off.
So we're about to put the, I was going to say fuel oil in.
Oh.
Then what are we doing after that, Ben?
After that, we'll put the exhaust pipe on.
Look at that. Looks like maple syrup, that.
Liquid gold.
We were going to pour it straight in, but Ben wanted to make sure that we get the exact measurements. Watch this spill everywhere.
Don't say that.
And then we're going to have to figure out how much you've lost. One drop so far, so that's 1 millimetre. We need to... milliliter, sorry. Five drops now, Ben.
Do you want to get a cloth? Just stick it underneath. Or the lid, take the lid off the pot. You know, the dirty oil pot.
Oh yeah, hold
Pop
on.
the lid off of that.
There we go, we put that down there to make sure it catches.
That's very slow.
Yeah.
That's 100 mils.
And you've got to do that 26 more times. Just pour it.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Just have the marker on the side.
So Ben's just realised that there's a litre thing on the side,
I
so we
haven't
could have
just
just...
realised.
So you knew that in the first place?
I knew it was on there,
and
but
then did you decided to do that?
Because I thought it would pour nicer from the jug. That's what it was.
Oh, Ben.
So yeah, but this is going to spill everywhere anyway. But that took me about a week to put in 100 mils. So we're just going to pour it straight into here.
Go on then.
We're going to put in. So we're putting 100 mils. So I need to put in 2.5 litres. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's there then a 1 litre mark there. Why are you watching me?
Well, I want to see how bad you mess this up.
That's bad, that's really bad. This is a really shit design, man. Give me something to start.
Let me see if I can find a file. So, why don't we just take it off the paddock stand and put it on the side stand?
That's an amazing idea.
I think, I thought of that all by myself. See, look at that, better angle now, eh? Aren't you glad I was here?
So glad, mate. Homemade funnel.
Homemade funnel right there.
Homemade funnel right here. Where are you with that? Look at that, it's called fucking flying, that is.
Is it?
Yeah, we go nicely. We got any leaks?
No, no leaks. Move the beaker. Move the beaker so I can...
Sorry.
Oh yeah, well done, Ben.
Thanks.
I'll give him credit for that one.
Only that.
Oh, just that one. And that's the only time ever.
That's it, I'm done now with the chin credit. That's my credit done.
Yeah, it's because it's copper, doesn't have like a ting sound to it, does it? Because it's soft. It's taking the exhaust gaskets off, downpipe gaskets.
Downpipe gaskets.
I'm going to put this back on. I have noticed something weird though. If anyone can tell us what this could be.
It's me, isn't it?
It's rubbed. I know it's not you. But it could have been.
I'm just going to zoom in on my face.
Yeah,
I used to look really weird down the side of my bike.
I should have done that.
Ah, you totally should have done that.
But like that looks like it's obviously scraped at some point. But these here look like it's been worn over time. We can't figure out because that's where the exhaust goes. There's no rubbing on any of the exhaust on the inside. Any ideas? Let us know. There you go, old to new. Brilliant.
Find another nut, same size.
So we were replacing the bolts with a double threaded. There's no flat spot, so we can't get like purchase on it to take them out. So we're using the double
two nut method.
Two nut method, and yeah.
I'll show you in a minute once I've got the other nut wound on. You wind them against each other and then they pinch.
You should never be winding your nuts against each other.
I need two spanner. I need two fucking...
Why? It's not wide enough.
Yeah, it's not. Let me undo that one actually and do it around the other way. So
Well, if you're trying to go one against each other,
yeah.
Yeah.
But then I need to use the back one to turn it on. If I can get the spanner between. Oh, you shouldn't really do it with flange nuts, but they're all flanged that size. They're all fucking flanged. Did you buy a box of random nuts? Like
No.
I said?
So that's it for today. Unfortunately, it's been a few months since we filmed that. We haven't been able to get around to it because I've been super busy with work. I've got a large YouTube channel and an even bigger TikTok channel and Facebook page and Instagram, whatever. It's just the way it is. But yeah, so part 3 of that's going to be coming soon. I was going to do it as one video, but 8 minutes is long enough. So I've uploaded this one first. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you like this kind of content. And if you haven't watched my opening of this, I think you better because it's a cheap AliExpress fairing kit for a CBR 600. And you'll see my thoughts on it.